prefer using the swords. So, I appreciate it, but I probably won't use it. Excuse me. Bless me.